So it's a piston-powered engine and it runs on jet fuel. It's got double slotted flaps like you do with a big airline. The benefit of that, of course, is it's better short fuel performance and it can slow the aircraft down a lot quicker.
So Stephen, what is this aircraft?
Well, this is a Diamond DA50 RG, so it's the first one in Australia. Only flew in yesterday, all the way from Austria.
Is there something special about this aircraft?
Yeah, look, at the engine is the actual differentiator. It actually runs on jet fuel, so it's a piston-powered engine by Continental. So it's 2 turbos, and it runs on jet fuels. Most aircraft run on avgas, so jet fuel is much more available globally, anywhere in the world, and that's the way the industry is going.
What engine is in this aircraft, and what's the fuel efficiency of it?
So this engine is a Continental CDI 300. It's a V6 engine, 3 litres in capacity and twin turbo, 300 horsepower, and your litres, you're looking at about 30 litres per hour fuel burn.
30 litres, that's very fuel efficient compared to other single engines.
Yeah, it's a lot more efficient, and as I said, it's about probably 50% less than our competitor aircraft, and you can get jet fuel anywhere in the world, so it's a big advantage.
So what's the cruise speed on this awesome looking aircraft?
About 172 knots, and it'll top out at about 185 knots.
So what's the stall speed and how does it glide?
So the stall speed on this is 58 knots. It has a very big wing, as you can see, and it's very docile, very easy in the stall. It just hangs there. It doesn't even drop a wing, so it's really good handling and very safe aircraft. So very forgiving in its nature.
And tell us a bit about the flat design. It does look a bit weird for an aircraft like this.
Yeah, so this is unique. It's got double slotted flaps like you do with a big airline. If everyone's been on a Qantas flight and you're coming in and you see the flaps, come out hydraulically and drop down. This has got the same design, so the benefit of that, of course, is it's better short fuel performance and it can slow the aircraft down a lot quicker.
All right, it looks beautiful. Can we get a look in the cockpit?
For sure.
So what avionics are in this cockpit?
So this has got Garmin G1000 NXI, so full suite. And of course you have the options of synthetic vision. It's a whole host of additional features. Garmin autopilot, digital as well. That's very, very capable.
And it looks like you got aircon in there too.
Full air conditioning, it's electric as well. So you can have the air conditioning on ground power on a hot day, and you can have the air conditioning on in the circuit as well, when you get up to a certain altitude. So it's very, very comfortable aircraft and very easy to live with.
And so what's the aircraft made of?
It's made out of composite, so it's a mixture of carbon fibre and fiberglass.
And so is this carbon fibre trim?
Yes.
Wow, I can even smell the leather coming out the door. Who's the normal buyer for something like this?
Varies. Most people that buy these are just private individuals for this aircraft. It's a full 5-seater. They use it for business and maybe a bit of pleasure. It sort of overlaps both, but it's a very practical. You just you have to go to the airport. You can choose when you want to fly, where you're going to go. So it's I call it the freedom machine.
Is this plane fully IFR certified?
Absolutely, completely 100% full IFR certified aircraft. It's got TKS. This one doesn't have it, but it's available with de-ice as well. So it's a very capable machine.
All right, so this is an awesome luxury aircraft. It's a 5-seater. What's the price for this aircraft?
Well, this particular one is around 2.4, 2.5 million Australian. It depends on what options are on the aircraft. So every aircraft is different, but it's an approximation.
So what's the lifespan on this airframe?
Well, it's unique with Diamond that actually don't have a lifespan, unlimited. So most of our competitors will have, 10, 12,000 hours. We're unlimited. We do have aircraft overseas that have got 20,000 hours and still going strong. They're incredible. And it takes about 4,000 hours to manufacture one of these aircraft, so they're very much a hand-finished product.
Steve, thanks for the interview. This looks like an awesome aircraft, and thanks to Diamond Aircraft for the free hat too. Thanks, Steve.
Nice meeting you.